On Tuesday, September 30, Meghna Alam appeared before Dhaka Metropolitan Magistrate Arifur Rahman's court in connection with the case filed under Dhanmondi Police Station on charges of fraud and extortion. During the hearing, Meghna's lawyers Mohsin Reza Polash and Mahima Islam Bandhan filed a petition seeking the return of her seized items, namely her mobile phone, iPad and passport, into her custody. After hearing arguments, the court rejected the petition. Following the decision, Meghna Alam spoke to the media and broke down in tears. While crying, she said, "They keep making false claims against me one after another. They have humiliated and disgraced me in front of everyone. If lies are repeatedly told in court, how will we ever get justice?" She continued to sob uncontrollably. Defense lawyer Mohsin Reza told reporters today that the investigation officer submitted a petition seeking more time, stating that the forensic report has not yet been completed. As a result, the court denied our petition for the return of the passport and other items. He further alleged the forensic report is being deliberately delayed. Meghna was granted bail on April 29. It's been over 2 months since we filed for the return of her passport, mobile and iPad. A forensic report does not take this long. This delay is being used as a tactic to prolong the legal processes. We hope to get the items back before the next hearing date. The General Doctors Forum of 48th Special BCS candidates has called on the government to immediately appoint all doctors who have passed both the written and viva examinations in order to address the acute shortage of physicians in the public healthcare system. The demand was made at a press conference held on Tuesday at the Abdus Salam Hall of the National Press Club in Dhaka. Speaking at the event, Dr. Sadman Shakib Rafi, one of the doctors awaiting recruitment, said that according to official data from the Ministry of Health, there are currently 12,980 vacant posts for doctors across the country. This shortage is severely affecting healthcare access in rural areas. While the wealthy can afford private or overseas treatment, the general public is entirely dependent on the government healthcare system, he said. Dr. Rafi also noted that due to delays in the recruitment processes of the 44th to 46th BCS, around 1,500 candidates have been recommended under the 48th BCS. However, many of them may later opt to join earlier BCS batches to secure better seniority, which will once again leave the assistant surgeon positions vacant, undermining efforts to solve the healthcare crisis. Finance advisor Dr. Salehuddin Ahmed has expressed hope that a portion of the money laundered abroad will be recovered by February next year. He made the remarks on Tuesday while speaking to journalists at the Secretariat following a meeting of the Cabinet Committee on Government Purchase. Dr. Salehuddin said the process of bringing back illicit funds is progressing steadily through legal and institutional frameworks, but emphasized that it is a time-consuming and complex matter. Recovering laundered money is not as simple as calling a Swiss bank and asking for the money back. It must go through international legal and financial procedures, he explained. He added that those who engage in money laundering are often highly skilled and technologically advanced, making the recovery process even more difficult and prolonged. However, we already made some progress. Discussions are ongoing with several well-known international legal firms and negotiations are advancing with specific judicial systems. We are hopeful of seeing some tangible outcomes by February, he said. The finance advisor further informed that the government has identified 11 to 12 high-priority money laundering cases and investigations into the associated assets are currently underway. Bangladesh Bank has frozen assets, identified foreign bank accounts, and collected passport and residency information of those involved. These cases are being handled through formal legal procedures, he added.